Hey guys, welcome to my new vlog. Here is 14th vlog, and today I'm going to share with you a speaker box, soundbar, which is Bluetooth type, and it's from Zebronics company. So guys, this is the thing what you are looking for, and I'm going to unbox it. Let's go to unbox. Actually, it's from Flipkart, and the price of this product is 2,240. Let's unbox it, and I'm going to check it and what is the sound type of this product. Okay guys, so first of all we have this belt here to okay, and this is the camera, this is the Bluetooth box here. It's a kind of very huge type of whole type, and we found the cable, charging port, and what is it? It's a UX cord. It's not need for. Actually, it's a cord type, a UX cord type, which is need for connect this. Let me show you. Connect to this. You can see, connect to this, and the other portion is connect to the mobile phone. As you can see, I will check this now and show you the sound quality. So guys, if you enjoy my show, give a thumbs up. That motivate my feelings.
Zebronics, always ahead.
Zebronics, always ahead. And you can see there are RGB light also. The lights can change by this button. Okay guys, so let me connect with my phone, and you guys please watch. So guys, here is my phone, and I'm going to attach here the Zebronics speaker till the aux mode, and I'm going to play the non-copyright music, NCS music. That all right. Why this is not happened? I think there is some missing information in here.
Bluetooth mode. Aux mode.
Working in aux mode. Why? But I'm not sure. So let me check in Bluetooth mode is on, and I'm going to connect the Bluetooth. What is the name of this? Jeff Sound. Okay, Jeff Sound List. All right. You can watch.
That sound piece 85 is now connected.
It's like kinda heavyweight. It's almost 2-3 kilo. No, 2-3 kilo. No, it's almost 4 to 5 kilos. It's very heavy, and I'm going to play it. Please check it. Alright guys, you can hear the voice of this product, and actually sound of this product, and here you can see the RGB light also syncing from this sound. You can see the synchroning. I mean to say that the RGB light is synchroning by the song. I mean the song is how much increase the light is this much increase. And okay, so here you can see the belt is right here, and it's a good belt right here, kind of fabric type, but it can heavily, so the belt is very strong. It never loses its flexibility. Okay, it's very hard, and you can just like that. You can use it in party, in picnic. It's very useful for this, and its sound, you can watch the very fabulous sound, and very good thing is. So the next I'm going to say it's a
One.
and the bad side of this product is due to the RGB light, it going to heat sometime, and when you use very long time, it gonna heat up, and actually it's a value of 4. So here's goodbye guys.